NTTX Select, in a nutshell, is a complete IT solution. People often look a bit confused when I say that to them. Ultimately, we are about providing the entire IT solution for a company, including their physical machines, their virtual machines, their solutions, their services, their email, their backup, their security, and their support. The key deliverable for NTTX is that the IT systems work in the same way as they've always used to. We're about enabling a company to get on with its normal IT business. One of the real advantages of NTTX Select is it has best-of-breed services across the entire gamut of the IT solutions. These include on-premise working environments and also a broad range of remote access and cloud-based solutions and technologies. These include working from PDAs or devices, mobile phones, remote working in other countries, and include enablement and empowerment to run your everyday applications, your email services, your databases, all encrypted, all secure, and all backed up. The real benefit of NTTX Select is it allows small to medium enterprises to take the type of services that historically have only been available to large corporates. These services have really allowed the large corporates to move forward and have a dynamic working environment. But the barrier to entry for the smaller enterprise market was the cost and complexity in delivering the services. The real power and benefit of NTTX Select is that we can deliver these services to the small to medium enterprise market in a per user, per month billing model, which makes them accessible and available to these organisations without the historical capital investment or the R&D investment to deliver the services. NTTX Select is also very unique in the service provider market because we allow the flexibility and support of existing organisations' in-house solutions, line of business applications, things that are specific to that industry sector. We allow you to bring your applications and systems, integrate them into our overall platform, and operate and run them as you did historically as an on-premise solution. The real power of NTTX Select is about delivering simple and elegant solutions, removing the complexity of the technology away from the end user and allowing them to simply get on with their business function. Unless your business is actually being an IT business, ultimately you just want your IT to be a utility to deliver what you need to do to empower your business, the same way as your water or your power services. The data storage question is a very big issue in the service provider and the cloud market. One of the real challenges is that many providers will store data anywhere in the world. That raises data protection issues, privacy issues. NTTX Select is very, very, very specific that we only store our data in data centres in the United Kingdom. We therefore comply to British Data Protection Acts, and you are safe and aware of where your data is being stored. One of the beauties of NTTX Select solution is that there's no specific requirement to purchase hardware. They can reuse their investment in existing hardware. They can use dumb terminals, thin clients. They can use a range of small form factor devices. Or, should they have specific hardware requirements, they can take them as a rental model along with the wider service offering. A big question when you talk about outsourcing or going to the cloud or going for a service provider is data integrity and data insecurity. And I always answer this question in a very simple way. If you've got your data on a server in the corner of your office and you have a fire, you've lost all of your data. If you happen to be fortunate enough or sensible enough to take a tape backup, you will then have that tape and hopefully you can recover your data and systems at some point in the future. If you use a service provider offering, that data is stored away at another location in a highly available fault-tolerant configuration in a location that will not have a fire. Should you have a problem in your office, you can simply either go and work from home or go and work from another location. Your ability to carry on working and your constant business continuity remains highly available compared to your on-premise solutions. Migration from existing solutions into NTTX or other cloud solutions is a real challenge. And like all businesses, it's a form of change. And one of the things NTTX Select works very hard to do is to go through an in-depth consultancy process with our customers to move them from position A to position B in a way that allows them to keep working empowers them, and gives them a seamless and very transparent migration process. Additionally, NTTX Select is about being an IT services organization. We are not a faceless cloud provider. We have a help desk. We have teams of people who understand and know our clients. We are there to help. You can phone us up. You can talk to us. You can raise support tickets and calls. The evolution of Windows is very, very interesting. I think the key thing which will be happening next is that we will stop becoming wedded to desktop or laptop computers. And in fact, our Windows experience will be consumed via the device of our choice, be that a device which is this large or that large, you know, a tablet, a phone, what we know today as a computer. But the Windows experience and the Windows application experience will be ubiquitous across the entire platform, irrelevant to what the device is, at any time, at anywhere, in any location. Windows 8 is obviously on the horizon. I think it's fair to say that Windows 8 will be the defining version of Windows, in the fact that it will finally evolve Windows away from its historical laptop and desktop roots and over into an operating system that works on any device at any time and becomes the ubiquitous platform for doing computing. Office 365 is a classic limited feature set cloud offering. Office 365, in fact, is an email offering, a data storage management offering, and a collaboration offering. And the features within that are very good. However, it is only a number of features. It is not a complete IT solution. You cannot take it as a solution on its own. How would I say NTTX Select is better than other service providers? I think the way I always answer this question is that we are different. I've said repeatedly during this discussion that we are about a complete IT offering and about being our client's IT partner. We are not a faceless organisation providing just an email service or a backup service. We are about complete IT solutions bespoke to meet the customer's needs, giving them empowerment to get on with their common business activities. That's our key differentiator from our competition. Our real ability is we are a highly technically advanced organisation. That technical advancement allows us to give cutting-edge solutions to our customers in a way that they can consume on a per-user, per-month fee basis. NTTX Select is very lucky. We have an excellent working relationship with both Microsoft and Dell, and we are able to build next-generation hardware and software platforms in very close collaboration with both those organisations, both at the operating system level and at the application level and the application suite, for example, Microsoft Office, and Microsoft Exchange, and Microsoft Link Server. These relationships give us a cutting-edge advantage over our competition because we are taking next-generation services ahead of the competition. NTTX Select's billing model is completely modular, where users can consume a small service as a single email service, right the way through to a multiple service, including a physical or virtual machine. Each of those options are built as bolt-ons, and those range in price from a few pounds up to 25 or 30 pounds. Each module is a per user per month fee, and as a client you are able to flex up and down in terms of modules or users at free will. Utility computing is the way I love to discuss NTTX Select. It should be about providing a range of first-class, best-of-breed services that the user can just consume as a utility offering that just work. It should not be about understanding and having problems with your IT solution. So utility is a wonderful term.